Downloading your account data from Xbox can help you keep track of your gaming history and preferences. Follow these steps to easily download your data. Step 1. Sign into your Xbox account. Go to the Xbox website and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials associated with your Xbox profile. Step 2. Access privacy settings. Once signed in, navigate to the privacy and online safety section in your account settings. This is where you can manage your data and privacy preferences. Step 3. Request your data. Look for the option that allows you to request a copy of your data. This may be labeled as download your data or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Choose data types. You will be presented with various types of data you can download, such as gaming history, friends lists, and achievements. Select the data types you wish to download and confirm your selection. Step 5. Download the data. After your request is processed, you will receive an email with the link to download your data. Follow the link and save the data to your device. By following these steps, you can successfully download your account data from Xbox. This can be useful for keeping records or reviewing your gaming activity.